Our big story at 5:30 tonight, new drinking fountains are on the way to schools in Satellite Beach as leaders there continue to address contaminated water concerns.
People started sounding the alarm when synthetic chemicals were found in groundwater near Patrick Space Force Base back in 2018. And Fox 35's Esther Bowers live at Satellite Beach High School tonight. So Esther, new drinking fountains are already installed in some schools.
We got to see a few of them earlier today here on campus, but this school is just the start. School board member Matt Susin says he wants to see nearly 700 of their drinking fountains updated across the entire district. But they are starting here in Satellite Beach because this community has been testing the water and hearing about contamination concerns for years. This may just look like an ordinary water fountain, but for the Holmes family, it's the next step in their mission to clean up the water in Brevard County.
To know that this will change that for people really affects me, because I want to make sure that kids at a very basic level should be able to drink water.
For years, we've been reporting on high levels of cancer-causing chemicals in the groundwater around Patrick Space Force Base. The Space Force Base has previously told us there is no need for concern because it's not in the drinking water. Rochelle and Jim Holmes lost their daughter Kayla in 2019 when she was just 17 years old to a rare, aggressive form of childhood brain cancer. While the drinking water in Brevard County is not directly connected to Kayla's cancer, her father has turned his grief into a new goal, getting the government to help with cleanup. He even testified before Congress about the issue near Patrick Space Force Base.
I don't want to see other families go through what our family went through.
We are committed to clean water, and that's what we want for our children.
Schools in Satellite Beach will get the new filters first, but Matt Susin says that's just the beginning. The school board member wants to see all drinking fountains updated with state-of-the-art carbon-filtered filling stations.
So this has been a long time coming.
The fight for funding hasn't been easy. Mindy Gibson is the vice mayor of Satellite Beach. She says they are grateful to Congressman Bill Posey for sending this letter and asking for millions in federal funding.
I want people to be safe. I don't want children to die, and I want us to be healthy and happy in the places that we live.
Congressman Posey shared this statement with Fox 35, saying local leaders and residents in Satellite Beach, which has been impacted by PFAS compounds, have worked together to create a plan to begin to purify their drinking water of these contaminants, and I'm pleased to support their efforts. Efforts these parents hope will expand to other schools across the county.
The solution really is filters. So we have to educate the community.
And Congressman Posey's staff tells us the $1.8 million in federal funding he asked for is moving through the process nicely and should come to a final vote hopefully sometime later this month. The school district says they also plan to add $360,000 to that just to make sure there's enough money to go around. We have also reached out to Patrick to see if they have a new comment on these next steps. We will update you as soon as we hear back. Reporting live in Satellite Beach, Esther Bauer, Fox 35 News.
Esther, thank you.